Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Gwaan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Well, wanna know say I'm back again, When you see me come on, wanna know say me have the news them a drop over here, so me gonna start it off with this. An American visitor robbed off bank cards in Ochi. Wanna hear what me just say a while ago? An American visitor was robbed of their bank cards in Ochi Rayas. An American visitor was on Tuesday night robbed of her bank cards in Ochi Rayas, St. Anne's, mere hours after arriving in the island. When me telling us, you see this place, it is really not safe, It is not safe. It is not safe. This is why I don't understand why Andrew Holness always come out in my Oris Chang. Always come out and talk about everything is this and everything is good and everything when they know say because all them something The people they not even land good in a Jamaica. And look what happened to this lady. They must sit near really brightness, They must sit near really out hardness. Anyway, my wisdom warrior, it has come to my attention that the 34-year-old woman checked into a hotel on Main Street in the evening and later went to a restaurant in close proximity to purchase food. Boy, no, sir. The place rough. Just imagine you just land. Here's a visitor. You just land, you want some food, gone out, people take away your bank card, everything, rob you, everything. It is not right. It is really not right. On a serious note, my wisdom warrior, this is wrong on all levels. It is just not safe, and it's just the truth. Anyway, I want to tell me what I think about that. Hear this. Minister of Education Favour Williams is urging school boards and administrators to be mindful of the cost given to students who participate in school leaving exercise. Her call comes ahead of the start of the 2024 graduation season in June. Mistress Williams says it is crucial that these activities are accessible and inclusive. My wisdom warriors, only can believe say the school them a charge all 50,000 Jamaican dollar, 50,000 and 40,000, for your picnic graduate. 50,000 and 40,000. Tell me if this is not daylight robbery. Tell me if I not chop them, I chop parents them. Talk truth. Tell me. Wanna make me know in the comment section. Because if a school I go charge you 50,000, over 50,000, over 40,000 for your picnic graduate from school, that they have to be a chopper school. Me telling you, just like how the government chop, everybody a chop. Everybody is chopping. So when they get that the money there, who that the money they go to? I remember the last time when I came out and I was talking about when the teacher didn't take with the pity them phone. When the teacher didn't take with the pity them phone, the pity them have to pay how much money? Pity them have to pay $5,000 to get back them phone. All of them rubbish there. Una say a choppy teacher, a choppy parents them. Some parents can't even find a night dinner. Some parents cannot find a night dinner. And you have teacher, a chop parents. Seriously, them something is unacceptable. So my wisdom warriors, we are going to look at this school. Glenmuir High School. Glenmuir High School is located in Maypen, Clarendon. Yeah? And you know what? This is just really, sometimes I feel laugh, but you see, this is not right, what them are doing, my wisdom warriors. This is not right. I mean, I know when parents are open up their eyes, if they say, I chop them, I get chop. A scamming. This is scamming. This is daylight robbery. So, at the Glenmuir High School in Maypen, Clarendon, graduation is on Thursday, June 2024. And guess what now? Cost is 50,500 including cost for dinner and 41,000 without cost for dinner. When I hear that there, for your picnic graduate from Glenmore High School, you have to pay 50,500 including dinner. And if you are going to pay 41,000, that means say no dinner. That not going to look good. Picnic graduate, everybody want got dinner, everything. This shouldn't, listen, the highest they shouldn't charge, I want 15,000. Want 15,000 then for charge. I want 10,000. What kind of blouse and skirt 50,500 and 41,000? Them is something is unacceptable. But me tell you no, every if you got every government place, the whole of them are chop. See the bank a chop we. The bank chop the customer them, get away with it, nothing not done about it. And see you know with school them a chop, but the school them a chop for a long time. Because anytime they take with the pick them phone, some parents have to pay $5,000 or $6,000 to get back them pick phone. Them something ain't right. And now you have no for graduation now, them a charge 50,000. So when they get that the money, they must share it amongst themselves, the teacher them. Listen to me, me tell you something. You see if you're not a teacher and the government not pay you right, you leave the job. Me tell you that. Leave the job and go hotel go work. Leave the job and go to the hotel. It don't make no sense. You're police, you're a teacher, and you not get good pay. So when I work for a good name? No, a good name. Well, if a good name, you don't have to chat nobody. And you don't have to feel no way. If a good name, you just no say yes, you just do it from the bottom of your heart. But too because you not get good pay now, you mustn't do things like that because I have that you do. And it is wrong. My wisdom warriors, this is unacceptable. And you can bet a lot of school is doing it. A lot of school. I just true because them find out about Glenmore High School. But me sure know that there's more school across Jamaica that is doing this. And listen, this need to be stopped. A stop need to be put to this. This need to be stopped. Them are sitting on the right. 50,000, 50,500, nearly 60,000 for graduation. How what this? For what? If you want gone, I want piece of paper for holding on your hand. Listen to me. If I saw if graduation for go, no graduation no for keep. Uno to blast the thief. Uno for stop scamming parents, them man. Them something on the right. You know much parents can't even find the money for them picnic graduate and uno go charge them 50,500. Uno really out order. Uno really out order. But me can't even cost uno too much because member say uno prime minister a chop and a scam taxpayer money. So uno I learn from him. Him a teach uno a lot. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what I have to say about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Local Government and Community Development Minister Desmond McKenzie on Tuesday stated that after 8 years of making major investment in the agencies under his ministry, Jamaicans are now feeling their impact and becoming more appreciative of their roles. Right. So right now, McKenzie is saying Jamaicans more appreciative of his ministry work. Excuse me? How are this? You hear them something here? I tell him them the something there. I tell him that. When me come here, me not come here for pet and powder nobody, you know. My wisdom warriors, McKenzie, where everybody complain about, say him not do nothing. He only come out and promise. That is what people saying. So my wisdom warriors, few people commented and said, he is talking about his friend in New York that them call Jamaican. Another person say, ask the question again here because I know this are Jamaican people here, you really attack. Somebody else say, which Jamaicans him attack? And that the people them must say, so when he come out and attack about how Jamaicans more appreciative of his ministry, stop tell lie on the Jamaican people them. Who tell her that there? Which part? Nobody not appreciative and appreciative of your ministry of work. Because you not do nothing for the people them. You not do nothing enough for the people them, you know. Because the last time I check, it is alleged the last time when you go down at the market, they take with the people them style. You did remove the people them. And the people them have to pay you up to 10,000. Up to 10,000 for your spot. It is alleged. Because some ear, I'm not sure. Yeah. You understand? So a lot of people is not happy with that. And there's a lot more comments, my wisdom warriors. A lot more comments. The people they upset. Because they don't understand why Desmond Mackenzie, him decided to come out now and I tell lie. But all them, me tell you, this thing about this 8 years, the whole of them appear 8 years trending them at talk about. You no notice? You no notice? You have Delroy Chuck come out and say 8 years of being justice minister and him big up in chest. And then you have Christopher Tufton come out and say 8 years. Then you have Desmond Mackenzie now talk about 8 years and people. If people them at Jamaica not happy with Uno. Uno need to know that the people them at Jamaica not happy with Uno. Number one, me start with Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck, when you go release the name of the sex offender them, Jamaica still a wait. Until you release it, then at least we see say, yeah, do something. At least we say you do something. But for now, not with what you do, with the DPP, you are not for justice minister. You are not our justice minister. You know who is our justice minister? Marky G, Mark Golding, is our only justice minister. Because him are the one that is fighting for the Jamaican people. Him are the one when Andrew Holness them break the constitution. Him are the one. Him and FEAM team. Him and the opposition side are the only one who always bring them to court and win them. You understand? So then again, it make me ask Jamaican people, how can you have people that are breaking the constitution and they are the one that is amending it? It don't make no sense. They're not touching our constitution because they're not credible. They're not credible. They not even respect the law of the lands. They're not credible, so they're not to touch it. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, me not really want to stray away from it, from Desmond Mackenzie, but me just a touch upon that. Yeah? So Desmond Mackenzie, you need to wheel and come again. Because the people, they're not happy with you. Maybe one or like 2 people say something to your brother, but Jamaican people is not happy with you. So you need to wheel and come again. My wisdom warriors, me know for no thought upon this. Last but not least, the one Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness, you just realize that the Jamaican people, them get corrupt water distributed. Look from when Ian Hayes come out and talk about these things and said the people, they not even have water. And you decide to come back out again. My wisdom warriors. So Andrew Holness is saying that persons found to be involved in corrupt water distribution practices will be prosecuted. So after the people then don't get the water and are drinking dirty water, yeah, from much months, me telling about Uno. Uno really want Jamaican people to get sick, you know. Yeah, because you just come out and I say these things. Just for talking sake. Nothing else, just for talking sake. And look from when Uno no do nothing to help the Jamaican people, to help the Westmoreland people. So when you come now and you, because remember say Uno take out the pipeline them, you know. Remember say Uno disrupt the water, you know. Nobody else, you know. Uno disrupt the water, you know. So nobody feels that you Uno disrupt the water now and you come now and say, oh, you're going to make Westmoreland better and feel like you're going to get no vote. You're not going to get no vote because a PNP fight for this. When you come out and I do now, a PNP fight for. If the PNP people, they never come out and a protest, if Ian Hales never come out and attack, so people are send him threat there. You who no come out and come talk about you're going to make Western better. You who no come out and say that. So nobody feel like say true you coming out now. And I say you are going to make Western better. Yeah? You think so we are go pump and powder you. We not go do that Andrew Holness. Because if the PNP, if Ian Hayes and Amber and then people, they never come out and attack up things them. And you see them labor right people then come out and chat about a lie. A lie the people them a tell. See there, uno own a prime minister come embarrass uno now and make the whole world know say yes, there was no water in Western for true. See? Uno see that door. That's why uno labor right, uno figure sit down. Uno figure sit down kind of chat pure shit, uno don't know nothing. Uno just go around and spread lies. Too much lies. Why uno feel said no Andrew Holness come out and do all this? It's because the people them down at Westmoreland do not have water for true. And enough dirty water down there them a get. You understand me? The people they not have water for true. So Andrew Holness, you coming out and do this, number one, you're too late. Because when Ian Hayes come out, the whole round they on social media, the whole of your MP them, they on social media, tell lie. I tell lie upon Ian Hayes and I say nothing no go so. When something go like that and you wait too much months, what? Nearly 6 months, if you come and say you go help the people them at Westmoreland, hey, you see you Andrew Holness, you is something else. When me tell you say you is something else, you is something else. The people them need water and clean water too, and they need it now. So my wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness noted that residents of drought-stricken communities have complained about corruption and favoritism in the distribution of truck water. He said with over 300 million allocated for the drought response, this cannot be allowed to continue. Mr. Holness said a reporting system is being set up at the National Water Commission, which will pass on reports to the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA. You know what? Me not even listen to Andrew Holness because Andrew Holness hear all these things that happen from Wapi kill Philip and now him a run out and go on like him a do something good. Andrew Holness, come and tell us something, brother. What you do was wrong because you punish the people them for no reason. The same very people them will go out and vote for you. Remember, you cannot think about only PNP. You have to think about the people them as a Jamaican. Uno too wicked. Uno too wicked. Uno government. Uno too wicked. Laws and skirt. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what to think about this. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And uno big up on a nice clean self. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. One love.